Chiefs, never meaning no harm, fighting the system like a true modern day Robin Hood.
Chief, yeah, I'm still down here in Atlanta. You know, I got Packer HQ in the back, and he scored Atlanta Falcon cheerleader. So, hey, let's get it. Go, Pack, go! Go, Pack, go! Yeah, you know, I gotta drop Packer HQ off when I'm on my way back up to Wisconsin. Damn, I hate these roads around here. But hey, I think I missed my turn. Let me turn around real quick. Game would have been way better if Ryan Grant did fumble during the beginning there. Also, you know, Chad Clifton went down. Hopefully he gets, you know, back into good shape. But hey, who knows? He'll probably be out in a couple of weeks. But good job to Newhouse and Derek Sherrod for stepping up on Sunday Night Football. You know, because Faith Hill was watching. And you know, they want to look good in front of her. Man, she looks pretty good. But yeah, it was a good game, I guess. Aaron Rodgers started off a little bit slow, but I guess the whole team did. But yeah, towards the end of the night, I think he had almost 400 yards passing and 2 touchdowns. But hey, I don't talk stats, we'll leave that to the other guys. So yeah, hey, I'm almost here at Packers HQ, and then we're going to give out the Chiefs Tomahawk of the Week award. So let me pull over to his house. So I'm here at Packer HQ's house, you know. Have fun with your Atlanta Falcons cheerleader. You know, make sure she pop locks and drops that all over your cheese head. Hey, but anyway, so let's get to the Chiefs Tomahawk of the Week award. Now, you know, last week I didn't have a Victory Monday, so it's kind of funny how the winner that should have won it last week, you know, will get it this week. So hey, let's give it to Mr. Aaron Rodgers. You know, congratulations, man, not only this week, but last week too. To be 5-0 is unreal, and hey, you're the main captain. So congratulations on your Tomahawk of the Week award. It's time to get back on the road. You know, I got a long way back up to Wisconsin. So yeah, you know, oh shit, the damn police are behind me again. But anyway, yeah, we get the St. Louis Rams coming up, and the chief hears that it's throwback weekend. So that means we're going to have all the rowdy Green Bay Packer fans up there, you know, flipping buses and getting ready to flip the St. Louis bus when it pulls in. Now these Rams are 0-4, and they're coming to Lambeau Field, and we're going to be eating lamb legs and some pork chops and everything. So, Rams, get ready to get slaughtered at the Acme Slaughterhouse. So thanks for watching my Victory Monday video, and we'll see you guys later. Take it easy. Go Pack, go! Oh shit. I'm okay. And we'll see you on the next Chief Packer show, victory, picks, whatever. Alright, peace.